Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome. Welcome to Season 2 of NAWASA Water Wars. This is the first of 3 preliminary games, and of course, I'm your host, Linda Brave Boy. This competition is brought to you by the National Water and Sewage Authority, NAWASA, and the German Agency for International Cooperation, GIZ, as part of the International Water Stewardship Program, IWASP, funded by the governments of Germany and the UK, and implemented in cooperation with the Ministry of Agriculture, Lands, Forestry, Fisheries, and the Environment. We would also like to recognize our partners without whom this competition would not have been made possible. They are Flow Grenada, Grenville Credit Union, Video Moments, and GUT Credit Union. This round consists of 3 games with 14 participating schools. 8 of these schools will advance to the semi-final round that's happening on June 29th. The live grand finale on July 1st will see 4 schools battling to win this season, Season 2 of NAWASA's Water Wars. Of course, with all competition, there are rules involved, and for the benefit of the participants, our audience, and viewers at home, these are the competition rules. Rule number 1. All responses should be phrased in the form of a question. That is, who is or what is. Rule number 2. Questions will be asked only once. They will not be repeated. Rule number 3. Players are only allowed to buzz in after I have finished reading the questions. Not during, but after I have finished reading the questions. Number 4. 5 seconds is the allotted time for response. Number 5, each player will have 1 attempt per question. Now, if the player who buzzed in first is incorrect or do not come up with a response, the question will be offered once to the other players, who will then have 3 seconds to respond. Number 6, in the dispatch and combat rounds, if players fail to answer the questions correctly and I provide the answer, the last person having the correct response will be allowed to choose the next clue. Number 7. For the interruption clues, players will be allowed 5 seconds to respond. Only the player who buzzed in first will be allowed to respond. However, this clue will not be offered. And finally, number 8. Players are allowed 30 seconds to respond to the lone question in the destruction round of competition. Answers should be written on a sheet of paper provided, and be sure to ensure that your handwriting is legible. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's first game, in which 5 schools will participate. Earlier, through a dipping process, the competitors for all games have already been selected. So it's now time to meet our competitors, starting with the Grenada Boys Secondary School.
My name is Tyler John, and I'm a 4th form student of the Grenada Boys Secondary School.
My name is Tara McQueen, and I'm a 4th form student of the McDonald's College.
My name is Dexter McPhee, and I'm a 4th form student of the Grenada Christian Academy.
My name is Shalon Pierre. I'm a 4th form student of SAS.
My name is Malina Bain, and I am a 4th form student of Wellesley College.
Okay, so there we have it, the competitors. Good luck, players, and here we go. Let's see what are the categories in the dispatch round. Synonyms: 911, water emergency, everything but the kitchen sink, are we there yet, and finally, what a fact. Of course, starting with the Grenada Boys Secondary School, please go ahead and choose your category and your clue.
What a fact for $4, please.
What a fact for $4. Before water must fall from the skies, it must first go through this process where it returns to liquid after having been vapor. McDonald College.
Evaporation.
Incorrect answer. I'm sorry, time is up. The correct answer is what is condensation? Okay, Grenada Boys Secondary School, please go ahead and choose the next clue.
What a fact for $6.
What a fact for $6. This sector is the largest user of water, accounting for 70% of total withdrawal. St. Andrew Anglican Secondary.
What is the commercial sector?
That is incorrect. Grenada Boys Secondary.
What is the domestic sector?
That is incorrect. The correct answer is what is agriculture? Grenada Boys Secondary, please choose the next clue.
What a fact for $2.
What a fact for $2. This is the process by which waste is removed from used water. St. Andrew Anglican Secondary.
What is water treatment?
You are correct. The answer is what is water treatment? St. Andrew Anglican Secondary, please go ahead and choose the next clue.
Synonyms for $6, please.
Synonyms for $6. Desalination is one term used to say removal of salt. This is its synonym. St. Andrew Anglican Secondary.
What is crystallization?
That is incorrect. It is now offered. MacDonald College.
What is boiling?
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer is what is reverse osmosis? Grenada Boys Secondary School, please go ahead and choose the next clue.
What a fact for $8, please.
Okay, what a fact for $8. A simple process to convert grey water, making it suitable for use in irrigation systems for agriculture. St. Andrew Anglican Secondary.
What is filtration?
That is incorrect. Wesley College.
What is coagulation?
That is also incorrect. The correct answer is what is grey water treatment? Grenada Boys Secondary School, please go ahead and choose the next clue.
Synonyms for $2, please.
Synonyms for $2. This water source is sometimes called a borehole. MacDonald College.
Underground. What is underground?
That is incorrect. Wesley College.
What is underground water?
That is incorrect. The correct answer is what is a well? Grenada Boys Secondary School, please go ahead and choose the next clue.
Synonyms for $4, please.
Synonyms for $4. Gas can be said in various ways, but in this phase, we are looking for a word that rhymes with paper. St. Andrew Anglican Secondary.
What is vapor?
And that is correct.
Synonyms for $8, please.
Synonym for $8. A little color brightens every one day. Using this word in the place of sewage will save you from seeing the grimace on someone's face. Grenada Christian Academy.
What is stability?
That is incorrect. The correct answer is what is black water? St. Andrew Anglican Secondary School, please go ahead and choose the next clue.
Everything but the kitchen sink for $8, please.
Everything but the kitchen sink for $8. A premier water utility providing excellent service to all customers, fostering a healthy and productive nation. St. Andrew Anglican Secondary.
What is the vision statement?
That is correct. What is NAWASA's vision statement? St. Andrew Anglican Secondary, go ahead and choose the next clue.
Everything but the kitchen sink for $6, please.
Everything but the kitchen sink for $6. The NAWASA logo is a depiction of this. St. Andrew Anglican Secondary.
What is the water cycle?
That is correct. St. Andrew Anglican Secondary, please go ahead and choose the next clue.
Are we there yet for $8, please?
Are we there yet for $8. So that is the interruption clue. And also note, St. Andrew Anglican, you are playing for a portable charger. Compliments, NAWASA. A total of 6 water treatment plants were rehabilitated under the Southern Grenada water supply in 2010. This plant was the only one in the parish of St. Andrew.
What is Spring Garden water treatment plant?
That is incorrect, and the question will not be offered. The correct answer is, what is Mamakan? St. Andrew Anglican Secondary, please go ahead and choose the next clue.
Can I have 911 emergency for $8?
911 water emergency for $8. 2 chemicals are commonly used to treat water. The first, chlorine, and the other is this. Grenada Christian Academy.
What is iodine?
That is correct. What is iodine? Grenada Christian Academy, please go ahead and choose the next clue.
911 water emergency for $4, please.
911 water emergency for $4. This best qualifies the type of containers that should be used for storage. Grenada Boys Secondary.
What are tightly covered containers?
That is incorrect. The question is offered. St. Andrew Anglican Secondary.
What is clear containers?
That is also incorrect. The correct answer, what is food grade containers? Grenada Christian Academy, please go ahead and choose the next clue.
911 water emergency for $2, please.
911 water emergency for $2. This common household item is not just good for cleaning and removing stains, but guess what? It can also be used for water treatment. Grenada Boys Secondary.
What is bleach?
You are correct. What is chlorine or what is bleach? Grenada Boys Secondary, please go ahead and choose the next clue.
Are we there yet for $4?
Are we there yet for $4? If you travel to the parish of St. John, NAWASA's Guelph sub-office can be found on this street. MacDonald College.
Lower Depredin Street. What is Lower Depredin Street?
That answer was correct. What is Lower Depredin Street? Please go ahead and choose the next clue. MacDonald College.
911 water emergency for $6, please.
911 water emergency for $6. At home, this purification process is said to be the most positive method by which water can be made bacteriologically safe to drink. What's the college?
What is boiling?
You are correct. The answer is, what is boiling?
Are we there yet for $2?
Are we there yet for $2? Not only is this the smallest parish, but it is also the only one on the mainland in which NAWASA doesn't have an office. St. Andrew Anglican Secondary.
What is St. Mark's?
You are correct. The answer is, what is St. Mark? Please go ahead and choose the next clue. St. Andrew Anglican Secondary.
Are we there yet for $6, please?
Are we there yet for $6? Going sightseeing? Well, why not take some time to visit Brandon Hall water treatment plant in this parish? St. Andrew Anglican Secondary.
What is St. Andrew?
You are correct. What is St. Andrew? Please go ahead and choose the next clue. St. Andrew Anglican Secondary.
Everything but the kitchen sink for $4, please.
Everything but the kitchen sink for $4. Your past time can be jail time if you practice this by connecting any works to the works of the authority. MacDonald College.
What is tampering?
You are correct. The answer is, what is tampering? Please go ahead and choose the final clue.
Everything but the kitchen sink, $2, please.
Everything but the kitchen sink for $2. The theme for this year's World Water Day. St. Andrew Anglican Secondary.
What is water and jobs?
You are correct. What is water and jobs? Okay, viewers, you are watching the NAWASA Water Wars, and I'm your host, Linda Braveboy. We'll be back in a few.
That's why we have NAWASA. NAWASA supplies a quality, reliable, and sustainable source of water to our nation.
Welcome back. I am Linda Braveboy and you're watching NAWASA's Water Wars. Our schools are doing very well, and in so doing I'll give you the accumulated sum of each of the schools thus far. MacDonald College, $8. Grenada Boys Secondary, $2. Grenada Christian Academy, $8. St. Andrew Anglican Secondary, $30. And Wesley College on $6. So we're moving right on to the combat round of competition. So let's see what are the categories in the combat round. Yes, this is us. Are you smarter than a 6th grader? All around us. Fight the bite. Spot the misspelled word. Grenada Boys Secondary School, please go ahead and choose the first clue.
All around us for $4, please.
All around us for $4. Humans, as well as these other living organisms, depend on water for life. MacDonald College.
What is animals?
Grenada Boys Secondary School.
What are animals?
Okay, both of y'all had the incorrect answer, although y'all had half of it. The correct answer is what are plants and animals?
All around us for $2, please.
All around us for $2. This is responsible for keeping the Earth's warm temperature. St. Andrew Anglican Secondary.
What is the Earth's ozone layer?
That is incorrect. Grenada Boys Secondary.
What is the greenhouse effect?
That is incorrect. The correct answer, what is the sun?
All around us for $6, please.
All around us for $6. I have a mouth but never speaks, a bed but never sleeps. I always run, never walk. Wesley College.
What is a river?
You are correct. What is a river? Wesley College, please go ahead and choose the next clue.
Yes, this is us for $2.
Yes, this is us for $2. You have selected the interruption clue, which means Wesley College, you are playing for a portable charger, complements the NAWASA. These are the opening hours of the NAWASA cash office on the Carenage.
What is 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.?
That is incorrect, and participants, that question will not be offered. The correct answer, what is 7:30 a.m. to 3 p.m.?
Are you smarter than a 6th grader for $4?
Are you smarter than a 6th grader for $4? The freezing point of water. Grenada Christian Academy.
What is 0 degrees Celsius?
St. Andrew Anglican Secondary School.
What is 32 degrees Fahrenheit?
Grenada Christian Academy, you got the answer correct. That was, are you smarter than a 6th grader for $4? And the correct answer was, what is 0 degrees or 32 Fahrenheit?
Yes, this is us for $4, please.
Yes, this is us for $4. This number of water treatment plants were rehabilitated during the Southern Grenada Water Supply Project. St. Andrew Anglican Secondary School.
What is 10?
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. It is offered. Grenada Boys Secondary School.
What is 5?
I'm also sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer, konnichiwa, is how you say hello in Japanese. This is how you say water. Grenada Boys Secondary.
What is Mizu?
You are correct. The answer, what is Mizu? Please go ahead and choose the next clue.
Are you smarter than a 6th grader for $6, please?
Are you smarter than a 6th grader for $6? The word for water is this language is similar in pronunciation to the word l'eau in English. St. Andrew Anglican Sec.
What is French?
You are correct. The answer is what is French?
Spot the misspelled word for $8, please.
Spot the misspelled word for $8. 5 million gallons of water is produced in the dry season. Grenada Christian Academy. McDonald College.
What is gallons?
You are correct, McDonald College. The answer is what is gallons, or what are gallons?
Spot the misspelled word for $4.
Spot the misspelled word for $4. A hurricane is a violent tropical storm, has winds of or in excess of 72 miles per hour. Wesley College Secondary.
What is a hurricane?
Okay, you are correct. What is a hurricane?
Spot the misspelled word for $6.
Spot the misspelled word for $6. Grenada was host to the Caribbean Water Operators Conference in June of last year. Wesley College.
What is Caribbean?
You are correct. The answer is what is Caribbean. Please proceed and choose the next clue.
Spot the misspelled word for $2.
Spot the misspelled word for $2. NAWASA was called Waterworks when it was located in Queen's Park, St. George. McDonald College.
What is NAWASA?
You are correct.
Are you smarter than a 6th grader for $2?
Are you smarter than a 6th grader for $2? McDonald College, you would have chosen the interruption clue. The colorless, odorless gas consists of 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atoms.
What is H2?
The answer that you would have said was incorrect. The correct answer was, what is CO2?
Fight the bite for $8.
Fight the bite for $8. Fight the bite of this mosquito that causes chickpea, zickpea, and dengue. Grenada Boys Secondary School.
What is the Aedes aegypti mosquito?
You are correct. What is the Aedes aegypti mosquito? Grenada Boys Secondary, please go ahead and choose the next clue.
Fight the bite for $6, please.
Fight the bite for $6. Dating back to 1960s, West Africa, this mosquito-borne disease was responsible for the limp in many persons' walk back in 2014. Grenada Boys Secondary School.
What is chikungunya?
You are correct again. What is chikungunya?
Fight the bite for $4.
Fight the bite for $4. This popular game, carded for August, is being threatened by the existence of a mosquito-borne disease in Brazil. St. Andrew Anglican Secondary.
What is the Olympic Games?
You are correct. What is the Olympic game? Please go ahead and choose the final clue.
Fight the bite for $2, please.
Fight the bite for $2. Expecting. Well, be aware of this mosquito-borne disease that can cause microcephaly in babies. Wesley College.
What is the Zika virus?
And Wesley College, you are correct. What is the Zika virus? We have exhausted all clues in this round. However, we do have one final round left. We call it the destruction round, and it will be a history question. We'll take a quick break and return to the clue. Viewers, stay tuned.
You don't need to worry. That's why we have NAWASA. NAWASA supplies a quality, reliable, and sustainable source of water to our nation.
And welcome back, viewers. You are tuned in to the NAWASA Water Wars. Remember, if you are just joining us, well, of course, the battle is fierce among our competitors, and these are the amounts that they have each accumulated thus far. McDonald College, they were on 8 in the first round. However, in the combat round, they got 10, which will give them a final total thus far of $18. The Grenada Boys Secondary School, they were on 2 in the first round. In the second round, the combat round, they accumulated 22 points, which gives them a final total of $24 thus far. The Grenada Christian Academy, they had 8 in the first round. In the second round, the combat round, they accumulated 4, which gives them a total of $12. St. Andrew's Anglican Secondary School, they had a total of $30 in the first round. They accumulated 16 in the combat round, which gives them a final total of $46. And finally, Wesley College, they had $6 in the first round. In the combat round, they got $18, which gives them a total or final value of $24 thus far. Before the break, we revealed the category for the destruction round, and that is history. The round consists of only one clue to which competitors will write their response on the sheet of paper provided. Every competitor who responds to this clue correctly will win $200. And now for the clue. This organization is credited as the inventor of NAWASA's leak detection program. Participants, you have 30 seconds and your time begins now. Okay, participants, your time is up. Please place the markers on the podium and you will hold up your paper with the answer facing your chest. When I call the school, you will then reveal the answer to us by reading it aloud. The Grenada Boys Secondary School, please reveal your answer.
What is IWASP?
McDonald College, please reveal your answer.
What is the government?
Grenada Christian Academy, please reveal your answer.
What is human resource?
St. Andrew Anglican Secondary School, please reveal your answer.
What is transmission and distribution?
Wesley College, please reveal your answer.
What is IWAS?
Okay, participants, I'm so sorry. Y'all got it wrong. The correct answer is, what is the Central Water Commission? Since no one got it correct in the destruction round, the final values would have remained the same. McDonald College, $18. The GBSS, $24. The Grenada Christian Academy, $12. St. Andrew Anglican Secondary School, $46. And Wesley College, $24. That means the GBSS and Wesley College, y'all, there is a tie for $24. To eliminate that, we will be giving both schools a tiebreaker question, and that question will be, the third A in NAWASA stands for this. Grenada Boys Secondary School.
What is authority?
You are correct. What is authority? Therefore, it means that the St. Andrew Anglican Secondary School will move on to the semi-final round, and also the Grenada Boys Secondary, you will also be moving on to the semi-final round. Congratulations to all the students, especially to those advancing to the semi-finals. Thank you once again to all our sponsors. We remind you that this competition was brought to you by the National Water and Sewage Authority, NAWASA, and the German Agency for International Cooperation, GIZ, as part of the International Water Stewardship Program, IWASP, funded by the governments of Germany and the UK, and implemented in cooperation with the Ministry of Agriculture, Lands, Forestry, Fisheries, and the Environment. Until next time, I am Linda Braveboy. Thank you for viewing.